everyone, welcome to our video. So for today's video, we're going to talk about evaluating functions.
What is function? When a function f is defined by y function, then x is called the independent variable. Any element of the domain can be chosen as a value of the independent variable. The resulting value determines the corresponding value of the dependent variable y. Importance of functions. In the definition of function is defined a relation between a set of inputs having one output each. In simple words, a function is a relation between inputs where each input is related to exactly one output.
Evaluating a function involves finding the output of a function for a given input value or a set of values. In mathematical terms, it refers to substituting a specific value or values into the function formula or expression to calculate the corresponding result or output of the function. This process helps determine what the function yields when supplied with a certain input values. The value of the dependent variable y minus fx that corresponds to a specific value of an independent variable x is found by substituting x into the function rule, then simplifying the resulting expression. This process is called evaluating a function. The rule in evaluating a function: replace every x in the function rule fx with the given replacement value, then simplify the resulting numerical expression.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl William Indeselo, and today we have our problem, which is fx is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 3 and x is equals to negative 2 over 3. So, to find the value of fx, and when x is equals to negative 2 over 3 in the given function, fx is equals to 2x squared plus x minus 3. Substitute the negative 2 over 3 for x in the equation. First, calculate the square of negative 2 over 3 and then substitute it back into the expressions. Next, perform the multiplication and subtraction. Combine the fractions and perform the subtraction. Now, combine the fractions further. So, f negative 2 over 3 is equals to 25 over 9, or it also can be negative 2, 7 over 9. And now, if we have f is equals to x times y is equals to 2x minus 3y, then f1 times negative 3 is equals to 2 times 1 minus 3 times negative 3 is equals to 2 minus negative 9, and it will be equal to 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. And now, if g m and m times n is equals to 3m squared minus 2m minus n squared, find the g in the 3 times negative 2. So the equation will be 3 times 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus negative 2 squared. It will be 3 times 9 equals 6 minus 4 is equals to 27 minus 6 minus 4. So 21 minus 4, the final answer will be 17.
Hi, my name is Nika. So this is operational function and we're gonna use addition. So this is the value of f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 and the value of g of x is equal to 2 minus x squared. So as I said earlier, we're gonna use addition. So we're gonna add the value of f of x and the value of g of x. And we're gonna change x into 5. So this is the value of x. The value of x is 5. So let's start our solution. So let's write the value of f of x and the value of g of x. F of x is equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 plus 2 minus x squared. 2. So as I said earlier, we're gonna change the x into 5. Plus 2. So this is it. So next is we're gonna solve it. Three times 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 plus 2 minus, so this is 5 squared, so it will be 5 times 5, so this is 25. And next is 15 minus 5 is 10 plus 2 minus 25 equal, so 10 plus 2 is 12 minus 25. So 12 minus 25 is equal to negative 13. So this is our final answer. Negative 13. Hi, my name is Nika. So this is operational equation and we're going to use multiplication. So this is their value of f of x and h of x is equal to 4x minus 1 and x minus 1. So in the next step, we're going to change the x into 3 over 7. So we're gonna be 4 over 7 plus 1 and 3 7. And we're going to solve it. So it will be 4 times 3 is 12 over 7 minus 1. The next is will be 4 7. So next is we're going to minus it. So 12 minus 7, it will be 5 over 7 and 4 over 7. And we're gonna multiply it up to up and down to down. So it will be 5 times 4 is equal to 20 and 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So 20 over 49 is our final answer.
So hello guys, here's another example of evaluating functions. A concert is 1,500 per ticket and the cost of parking is free. Find F24. So we can express it by using Fx equals to 1,500x. So where did we get the 1,500x? We get the 1,500 from the cost of per ticket at the concert. So we're going to do this. All we have to do, since the question is finding the F24, we're just going to substitute the 24 to the x. So F parenthesis 24 F24 equals to 1,500 parenthesis 24. So what happened? Since we're talking about evaluating functions, all we have to do is substituting the value of x. Since the question is finding F24, we substitute the 24 to the x, and here also. So at 1,500 times. So what we're going to do next is multiplying the 1,500 to the 24. So 1,500 times 24 is 0, 0, 24. So the result is 1,500 times 24. Their product is the product of 1,500 times 24 is 36,000. So if you're going to buy a ticket, 24 tickets, you're going to pay 36,000 pesos. So let's have another example of evaluating functions. So JR's gas tank had 8 gallons. JR's gas tank had 8 gallons in it. JR's gas tank had 8 gallons in it. He goes to fill it up and the pump gas at a rate 24 gallons per minute. So find the amount of gas in his tank after 5 minutes. So we can express it by using this. So we can just use some variables that we can represent in this problem. So G parenthesis T. So G is the gas, T is the minutes, and 24 T plus 8. So the 24 is the gallons per minute and 8 is the gas, the 8 gallons is the gas tank of JR's. So all we have to do is substitute the 5 minutes to the T variables. So G, we're going to do this. G parenthesis 5 is equals to 24 parenthesis 5 plus 8. So what will happen next? We're just going to operate it. So 24 times 5. So 24 times 5 is equals to 120. So 120 plus 8. So 120 plus 8 is 128. So it will be 128. So the amount of gas in his tank after 5 minutes will be 128. It will be 128 gallons. So that is the basic rule of evaluating functions. We're just going to substitute the value to the x. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned a lot today. So see you at the next video.